Today I'm going to be demonstrating one of my most common exercises that I give out. Normally I give out dead bugs, but recently I've discovered a lot of times that's too much when you first start. And so I'm going to show you one of my regressions that you can do before you start doing dead bug. So it's very similar to dead bug. You're going to lie on your back. And one thing that I want to focus on is you don't want to arch your back up like this. You want to be flat to the ground and you want to tuck your pelvis into the ground. That activates your lower core. So, lower core activated, you put your heel up and you slide it out, which stretches out this muscle here, and then you bring it back. It seems really simple, but it's actually pretty challenging. Even if you're doing dead bugs, you can still do these and you can still feel quite a bit because you're activating similar muscles, but in a different way. I always recommend that people start out with 3 sets of 8 and you do it on each leg, so that as you go through and you continue to do them more, then you'll be more and more able to do that dead bug. This is something that I recommend pretty often for women that are immediately postpartum when dead bug can be too difficult, or for people who have a lot of back pain. They might find dead bug to be too difficult as well. And so I really want to focus on giving them exercises that they can do and that they can do safely without hurting themselves. So if you've tried the dead bug exercise that you've seen here on this YouTube channel or other YouTube channels and it's too difficult, try this regression of it, and then after a period of time, try to progress into that dead bug, and I think you'll see a big difference. You'll also notice that you definitely feel it in your lower core versus with dead bug, you can feel it in that upper core because you're also moving your arm along with that. So just working the muscles a little bit differently and a little bit more specifically and intentionally with that lower core there.